Good morning. Good morning. Chandra ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Hello. So today's session is on fireless cooking. See, your man has prepared the cake. See, the cake. The tea and baby gets on very well. Are you all ready, my dear sisters? Okay, ma'am. Yes, are you all ready, my dear? Yes, ready with the ingredients? See, I have selected the ingredients technically. First, we will marry the cake. Yes, roasted cake, roasted cake, and the gas
Hello, ma'am. Your voice is not clear.
chocolate syrup. So clear?
It's better. Better. It's better. ম্যাম ভালো হয়েছে চলবে এটা হ্যাঁ
Chocolate syrup. Okay, and we shall require powder milk. You can take small everyday packet or any milk. Okay, so for making this cake, we shall require marigold biscuits, chocolate syrup, and the milk powder. Okay. And next, if you don't have chocolate syrup, don't be sad. I have given the alternative. We shall require butter, melted butter. If you keep it, it will melt. It's summer days, okay? Melted butter, sugar powder, okay? Sugar powder, and we shall require cocoa powder. Okay, we shall require cocoa powder. If you don't have chocolate syrup, this is the other option. And those who can't freeze the sweet or freeze the cake at home, for them I shall prepare another item, this sweet. Okay, this sweet we shall prepare together with the powdered biscuits, any biscuit powdered, or you can take bourbon biscuit powder. Okay, this will be the second one. Okay, now let us start the first item. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Show me your thumb. Yes, show me your thumb. Are you all ready to learn from your man? Today your man is a chef. How am I looking, my dear chefsters? Yes, your man is a chef today, isn't it? Yes, okay. Then let's start the first item. Okay, I have taken a ball. Okay, bowl. And here we shall take the milk powder. This is tablespoon. Let us take first. You all take little bit. Okay, don't mix it fully. Take 2 tablespoon first milk. 2 no, you take 3. Let us take 3 tablespoon first milk powder. Then we shall pour here chocolate syrup. Okay. That too also 1 tablespoon first. 2 tablespoons enough. Okay. Chocolate syrup. Now let us first mix it. See, I'm mixing it. Yes, do with me, all of you. Yes, mix it. Try to mix it. It will be dry. Then we shall take a little bit of water if it becomes too dry. Half tablespoon water. Now let us mix it properly. It will be chocolate in color, very tasty and yummy. It will look very yummy. See, just half a tablespoon of water and see the mixture is ready. Let's mix it more. Let us mix it a bit more. See, chocolatey. Yes, with this we shall prepare the cake. See, let us mix it more. Okay, now what you have to do? Is your mixture ready? Show me. Show me. Show me, is your mixture ready? Is your mixture ready? Show me.
Chandra ma'am, please
Yes,
repeat it
show
once.
me. Show me. Don't make it too liquid, okay? The consistency must be like this. Don't make it too liquid. Okay, Aryan have done very good. Yes, let me see who have finished doing. Yes, let me see. Oh, all are trying. Very good, my little chefs. Okay. Okay, yes, all of you keep mixing. Mix it. Yes, mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Yes, mix it. Okay, so the mixture is ready. Now what we have to do? We shall take the marigold biscuits. Okay, see, I am cutting the paper. Cut the paper properly because we shall be needing a marigold biscuit wrapper. Okay, the paper of the marigold biscuit.
Please repeat the process, ma'am. What are the things you add? What are the things you have added?
Yes, yes. Just
With this milk powder, so it's not making it so
yes, yes. This is the mixture. I'm showing this again. Milk powder, 2 tablespoons. Sorry, 3 tablespoons milk powder. 2 tablespoons of 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, and just mix it. Just mix it and just take half a teaspoon or half a tablespoon of water, and we shall get this mixture. If your mixture is too liquid, okay, if you can see that your mixture has become too liquid, then you mix a bit more milk powder. If your mixture have become too liquid, then you please mix little milk powder. Then you will get this consistency. Just see. You will get this consistency. Okay. Okay. So, did you all get it? Now we shall require the marigold biscuits. Okay. See, these are the marigold biscuits. At least 5 to 6 you will require to put the coating. Okay. Now we shall coat this chocolate layer. We shall coat it. Okay. Like this we have to coat the biscuits. Okay. See, I am coating it and keeping it one by one. Yes, please follow. Take the chocolate, layer it over the biscuit chocolate mixture, layer it over the biscuits. If it is too much extra, then let it be in the bowl. And then again, place it like this. See, slowly I'll do it. We are not in a hurry. Take the chocolate mixture, put it over, spread it over the biscuit, spread it over the biscuit, and again place it. See, I have done three of them I have done. Okay, let's do at least 6 to 10. Okay, let's do at least 6 to 10. Take the mixture and spread it over the biscuit. And again, place it here. again the mixture. Spread it well over the biscuit and place it. Again, follow this process. Okay, see how I'm keeping it. See, it should be kept like this in a standing line. Okay, kids? It should be like that. Keep on placing it. Okay, one by one. Spread it properly over the biscuits. Yes, are you all doing? Are you all doing? Spread it and just keep this. Spread the mixture. Yes, spread it and keep it. See, it's becoming heavy and some are coming down. No problem. Let it come down. Then we shall wrap it. I shall do 2 more biscuits, okay? You can do it at home later on. Now you shall just learn how to do it. Yes, are you all doing, my dear? I shall see, okay? I shall see it. Now the extra one which is falling down in the plate, place it in the body of the biscuit. See, like this. So that the biscuits are fully covered with the chocolate layer. So that the biscuits are fully covered with the chocolate layer. Okay. Let us place it like this. Okay. Now a bit, then you can place chocolate layer properly. Then this side also we have to your side. See, just let the mixture be like this. Okay, so you can, if you want to do more, but this also you can wrap it. Okay? Put the mixture everywhere so that the biscuits are not being seen, so that we cannot see the biscuits. Put the chocolate layer very nicely all over. Okay, all over. Okay, so I have, see how I am spreading it all over, so that, can you all see the biscuits? No, they are covered by the chocolate layer. Okay. Now I shall tell the other process. You have chocolate syrup, how you shall prepare it. Okay. If it falls down, no problem. Just keep it aside. If you want to add some more biscuits, add it. No problem. Okay. Now, if you don't have, I shall take the same container. Okay. I shall take the same bowl because the taste may come here. No problem for that. Okay. Now, if you don't have chocolate syrup, then what you will do? First, take 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. This is powdered sugar. Okay. And add melted butter. Then add melted butter. Melted butter, 2 tablespoons, not much. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, very important, this cocoa powder, add it very little. Okay, don't add too much altogether. Then it will taste bitter. First you take not full, but 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Okay, first I have taken 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and let's mix it. Let's mix. The color will be the same. It will look the same like chocolate syrup. Now let's mix it. See, mix it. Nothing else. Water not required here. Mix it. My sugar is less, so I am adding some more sugar powder. Before I took 4 teaspoons, I am taking 6 teaspoons sugar powder. Now let's mix it. Yes, those who don't have chocolate syrup, follow this process. Now let us mix it. See, I'm mixing it gently, mix it gently. The chocolate color will appear here also. See, gradually it's becoming, changing its color. The white color is disappearing. Yes, let us mix it. Keep on mixing. The chocolate texture will come here too because butter is there. Okay, keep on mixing properly. Yes, let us mix it. See, mix it slowly. Yes, like this. See, it's chocolate in color. So don't add too much of cocoa powder. It will taste bitter. Add very less and see that the chocolate color appears from the mixture. So be careful while adding the cocoa powder. So your mixture is ready now. See, the mixture is ready now. Okay. Now we shall do the same thing what we have done here. We shall again take the Marigold biscuits. Okay. We shall again take the Marigold biscuits. Take little bit of the paste that we prepared and spread it evenly over the biscuits. Yes, spread it nicely. Spread it nicely. Okay. See, I am spreading it. If required, you can do it with your hand, no problem. Your hands are washed, so you can do it with your hand too. Okay, first biscuit done. When you will press, it will spread again evenly. See, I'm pressing it, and now the mixture is spread over the second biscuit. I feel comfortable with the hand, so you can, if you feel comfortable with the spoon, do it with the spoon or do it with the hand like this. Spread the mixture with your thumb. If your mixture has become too liquid, I don't think here it will be too liquid, then add little bit of powdered sugar. Okay, or some less amount of butter. See, again the next layer. See, spread it evenly. With the thumb, spread it all over. Yes, are you all doing with me? Yes, are you all doing, my little shamsters? I shall do here 4 biscuits because I have that also. Okay. So again, spreading the mixture. You all can do more. You all can do more. You all can make it this big. Okay. No problem. Or you learn it now, you all can do it later on. But do send us the video. Okay. If you prepare the dishes or the recipes at home, do send us the video, please. Okay, now we have covered, we have spread it. Okay, now this side we have to cover it with this mixture. See, the biscuit should not be seen. Now cover it with this mixture sidewise. Cover the mixture evenly all over. Okay. Are you all doing? Yes, I shall see. After I finish doing this, I shall see yours also. Okay. My little Shemsters, I shall see yours also. My mixture is a bit less. No problem, but you all do it properly. Okay. See. So cover it all over. Then the back side also, you have to cover it. You have to cover the back side also with the mixture. So all over, it will be covered by this mixture, okay, by this paste of sugar, butter, and cocoa powder. So spread it like this so that the biscuits are not being seen, okay. Okay, now I shall keep it here. Next step, what we have to do? Let us learn that. Okay. So next we shall take one biscuit wrapper. I need two because two I have done. So you shall take this like this type of wrapper. Okay, biscuit wrapper, any biscuit, but don't take salted one. Okay, because this is a sweet item. Don't take salted one. Any wrapper you can use, foil paper also, this wrapper also. These are easily available at home. So now what you have to do? Then this mixture, see, place it like this over the paper and see that everywhere the chocolate layer is covered over the biscuits. Yes. If anywhere the biscuits can be seen, you just cover it. Okay. Wrap it. Slowly we shall wrap it. Okay. Wrapping done. Then from this side too we shall fold it. Like this, we shall fold it. Again, like this, we shall fold it and put a rubber band. Okay, we shall put one rubber band and no need to keep it in the deep fridge. See, I have put a rubber band. And what you have to do? You have to keep it in the fridge. No need the freezer. Okay, where we keep ice creams. No need there. Just in the fridge. You keep it for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, you shall keep it 3 to 4 hours. See, then it will look like this. Here my chocolate layer is a bit less. It will look like this. But one thing I must mention here. Okay, when you will cut this, you have to go in a crisscross way. You have to first cut it like this. Means the chocolate layer have to be seen. So cut it by the middle or cut it in a triangular shape. Then the chocolate layer will be visible. So this is ready. Now you can keep it in the fridge. Minimum 3 to 4 hours. Then what you will do? You shall open the rubber band. Open the wrapper slowly and then cut them into beautiful pieces. And after preparing this, do send us the video. Okay, your chef ma'am will see it, how you all have prepared. I shall be very eager to see them. Okay, so did you all learn? This is biscuit cake. This is the cake preparation from biscuit. Wrap it. This one also will be the same process. For this also, you will wrap it in the paper. Okay. And then put a rubber band over it and keep it in the fridge. Okay. You shall keep it in the fridge. Now, let me see how you have done it. Yes. Will you all show me? Change. Hey. Zoom চলেই গেছে। Yes, show me. কোথায়?
বলো ম্যাম বলো
Yes, show me. I want to see them. অন কর, ক্যামেরা অন করে আমার দিকে দেখা, আমি দেখি বাচ্চাদের কেমন। আমাকে ঘুরিয়ে দেখা, তাহলে আমার দিকে ঘুরিয়ে দে মোবাইলটা। Yes, let me see how you all have done it. Oh, Aryan have done it. Yes, Aryan, now wrap it in the paper. Yes, Protusha, very nice. Please now wrap in a biscuit paper. From where you have taken the biscuits, wrap in that paper. Okay, in the same paper, wrap it. Yes, Adrika, very nice. Navya, wow. Navya, now you have to wrap it in the paper, in the same biscuit paper. Okay, yes.
He kept one. How nice.
কাব্য ম্যাম প্লিজ তোমার হয়ে গেছে।
So now wrap it in the paper and keep it in the fridge. No need to keep it in the deep fridge. Oh, Praganna, let me see. Show
Ma'am,
me
Srinidhi
yours.
wants to say something. Ma'am, Srinidhi wants to say
Yes,
something.
say.
Srinidhi বলো।
আমি ফার্স্ট এডটা শুনতে পারিনি।
আচ্ছা, তুমি এক কাজ করো, পরে ভিডিওটা দেখে আবার একবার প্রিপেয়ার করো।
সেকেন্ড এডটা করেছি।
ওকে।
Okay. Do you have chocolate syrup with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm telling you the process again. What you have to do? You take some powdered milk. This is powdered milk. Okay. Take 4 tablespoons of powdered milk. Okay, Srinidhi. 4 tablespoons of powdered milk in a container, in a bowl. Okay. Then you have to 4 tablespoons of powdered milk. Yes, I have seen. Very good. Then chocolate syrup. 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. In the powdered milk, you have to mix 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Okay. Then just try to mix the mixture. Okay. You will see it's a bit tough. So you take just a half tablespoon of water and mix it. You will get the mixture. You will get the mixture. Okay. Srinidhi, prepare it. Prepare and show it to me. So nice to see the little shapes. Very nice. Aryan, very good. Yes, I'm so happy to see my little kids. Yes, very nice. You all are tasting it now. Don't taste it now, okay?
Ma'am, Rajanna want to say
Then
something.
have
I
the
hope Rajanna is want to say something.
yes, Praganna, yes. Abhya.
Rajanya, Praganya, and Krida want to say something.
Okay, yes, of course. Praganna,
Praganya, bolo.
unmute yourself, Praganna.
This is my cake.
Yes, I have seen. I have seen it. So after preparing, after cutting, do send us a video or a picture of your
Ma'am,
cake.
ma'am,
Okay?
Rajanna want to say.
Yes,
Rajanna, bolo, ma'am.
yes, you are unmuted.
Yes,
Say.
Rajanna is unmuted. Rajanna, bolo.
Yes, very nice. Very nice, Rajanna. Okay, who else want to say? Yes, Barney. Tell me what you want to say, Barney. Oh wow, Barney have also made very nice. I'm so happy to see you all. My little cooks, my little chefs. Yes, who else want to say? Krida, what you want to say, Krida? Tell me. Please unmute Krida.
বলো ম্যামকে বলো বানিয়েছো ম্যাম বলো কেক বানিয়েছো না সুইট লাড্ডু বানিয়েছো
Okay, yes. Okay, you have made laddus. Okay, Krida, now just wrap it. Okay, the biscuit chocolate layer you have put it. Now you wrap it and keep it in the fridge. Shoika, did you make? Shoika? Rajanna have made it very nice. Do you want to ask me anything? Do you have
Ma'am,
any
Kabbo
doubt?
wants to. Kabbo.
Yes, Kavya.
কি জিজ্ঞেস বল
I've seen it. Very nice. So nice. My small little shamsters have done it. Yes, Trinity, spread it evenly, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes,
please announce
Kavya.
the. Ma'am, please announce the break time. Okay.
Yes. Yes, very nice. Pranjal. Wow, Mufarid is also looking just like a chef today. Very nice.
Ma'am, Aryan want to say something.
Yes, Aryan.
Where is
Speak up.
Aryan? Please, Aryan, raise your hand.
Yes, Aryan. Unmute yourself. Yes, I have seen your one. Aryan, very nice. Very nice. Aryan. Yes, so clap for all my little shamsters. I shall give a big clap for all my shamsters. Yes, I shall give a big clap for all my shamsters, my little cooks. So nicely you all have prepared. Okay, after this session, we will have a small session again, and there I shall teach you how to prepare with the biscuit powder. Okay, with this, how we shall prepare another item. I shall teach you that. Okay, so this now you'll wrap it in the paper and keep it in the fridge. And after 2 to 3 hours, cut the cake and taste it. Do share it with your family members. And please send us the picture of the cake or just prepare a video and send it to us. I shall see that. Okay, we shall enjoy seeing the videos. Okay, the cake preparation by our small shamsters. Okay. Okay. Yes. Anybody wants to ask me anything? Any more questions? Yes. Very nice, Sohan. Sohan, Adrika. Yes. Very nice. Sri Rudra, all have prepared it. I'm
Sridhar
so
wants to say
happy to
something.
see.
Sri Rudra?
Yes, do say, no problem. Yes, do tell me anything you want to ask. Yes, I have seen Navya, your one also. Yes, Sri Rudra, I have seen. Oh, you are licking your fingers now. Okay, so you all have learned to prepare a tasty cake with ma'am, isn't it? You all have learned to prepare a tasty cake. You taste it and tell me how did you all like the cake? Yes? Yes, so do send us the pictures and videos of the preparation of this cake. How you all prepared it, do send it to us. It will look like this. Yes, it will look like
Yes,
this.
hello.
Okay. Now,
Na, acha, ma, acha. Srinidhi ma'am, Srinidhi wants to say something.
yes, please.
Srinidhi, bolo. Unmute yourself. Srinidhi, unmute yourself. Srinidhi, unmute yourself.
ম্যাম আমি দুটোই বানিয়েছি
Very nice. You can keep it. Keep it in the
First
paper.
এটা।
Wow.
ফার্স্ট
Very
এটা
Yes, wrap it in the paper. Okay, wrap it in the marigold biscuit wrapper and keep it in the fridge. And then you cut it after 2 to 3 hours. Okay, Srinidhi? And please do send us your video of preparation of the cake. Pranjal have also done it. Very good. Devansh, Mudari.
বড়টা মানে এটা অনেকটা দরকার নেই এটা দিয়ে করেছো কেন
Ma'am, wait only 1 minute. Okay.
Yes. Now again our session will start after 5 minutes. Okay. Yes. And we shall learn again something new. So be prepared for that. Again, we shall learn something new. Okay. With powdered biscuits. If you have bourbon biscuit. Yes. Yes, it's already time.
Okay.
Okay. We'll join after 5 minutes. 5 minutes break.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Yes. Welcome back, all of you. Now we can learn something. Okay. Are you all ready? Show me your video. Yes, ready? So we shall start. Now those who don't want to use the
Ma'am, please
fridge
wait for
for
a minute.
preparation.
Ma'am, please wait for a minute.
Okay. Yes,
It's a journey,
wait.
it's a journey.
Let us wait for 2 minutes more. Now we shall prepare this sweet. Okay. We shall prepare this sweet. How we shall prepare it? That we shall learn now. Preparation of this sweet. Okay. Do share your ideas after. Do share your views. Okay. Do share your views. How you
Ma'am,
like
your
the biscuit.
videos.
Like this sweet. Do share your videos or please comment how you like the items. Okay, ma'am, is good to hear from you. Okay, so let us start now.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you are not visible properly. Okay, ma'am. Chandra ma'am, you are not visible properly. Hello.
I'm not visible.
No, ma'am, you are not visible.
I'm not visible. It's clear now, sir?
It's clear.
Okay. Camera was important. Okay. Okay, now we shall take powdered biscuits. Those who have powdered,
Ma'am is asking. Did you like?
Yeah.
Tell ma'am.
yeah. liked it. Okay, very good. Prepare a video and send it to us. Okay, Navya? Yeah. Okay. Let's learn something new again. Then I shall talk with all my youngsters. Now we shall take powdered biscuit. I have not taken bourbon biscuit. If you have taken bourbon biscuit, you won't require cocoa powder or chocolate syrup. You won't require, you shall only require milk, only a cup of milk. So I am taking the powdered biscuit. Okay, see I am pouring 4 tablespoons.
Background music is coming from your end. Hello. The background music coming from your end. It's disturbing, ma'am. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, yes.
It's okay.
Okay. So we shall take 4 tablespoons of powdered biscuits. Okay. See, I have poured it. Now, if you have taken bourbon biscuit, then you don't need to add cocoa powder or chocolate syrup. Just you have to add milk to it. Okay. So, as I have not taken bourbon biscuit, I shall add half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I shall mix it here well. I can also add 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. See, 1 tablespoon. No, actually require 2.
No.
tablespoon.
I
taken 4 tablespoon of the powder. Mix it well, very well. You should mix it. Yes, mix it. All of you do it with me. Mix it well. If you have taken bourbon biscuit, then you don't have to mix it, okay? You don't have to do anything.
Ma'am, you are not visible. Ma'am, you are not visible, ma'am.
I'm not visible.
No, you are not visible.
Am I visible, sir?
No, you are not visible.
Yes, now?
No. No, ma'am. No.
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 But I can see what's the problem.
Okay.
Now?
No, ma'am.
Oh. এই ক্যামেরাটা না ওরকমই করে দে, এরকম করে দে আমার দিকে। আমার দিকে
Yes, camera is coming, but you are not visible clearly.
Yes, now?
Yes. Wait.
Okay. Okay.
কোথায় গেল? আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি না আপনাকে। এক মিনিট। ম্যাম, প্লিজ ওয়েট। কোথায় চলে গেলেন?
Now mix this well, okay? Chocolate color has tumbler. I shall take little bit of I shall pour half a tablespoon of cocoa powder here again.
ম্যাম, আপনি একটু শুরু থেকে বলুন, হ্যাঁ? অনেকে এখন জয়েন করেছেন, হ্যাঁ? রিপিট করুন পুরো ব্যাপারটাকে একটু রিপিট করুন।
Again, what we have done, we have taken powdered biscuit. I have not taken bourbon biscuit. It's normal biscuit powdered. So I have taken 4 tablespoons of powdered biscuit in this bowl. Okay. Then what did I do? Then I have poured 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. Okay, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup. If you don't have chocolate syrup, no problem. Cocoa powder is sufficient. You can take powdered sugar. Okay, I shall also mix it to make it more sweet. half a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and now I am mixing it. I am mixing it properly. See, the chocolate color must appear in the mixture. Okay, it must have a chocolate color. Mix it well, all of you. Yes, mix it well properly. Yes, are you all doing? Yes, mix it well. Now what we have to do? Next step, what we have to do? We have to pour milk slowly, okay? And make a dough. Now we have to pour milk. Room temperature milk.
Ma'am,
Don't pour the milk all.
Ma'am,
Then
Frida
the
want
mixture
to
will
say
become.
something.
Yes.
Frida raise
Raj?
her hand. Please.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Please ask.
আমরা first network issue. Ma'am,
Network. Yes, bolun. Yes, tell me.
ওর জন্য আমরা ফার্স্টটা দেখতে পারিনি।
Okay, I shall.
বিস্কুট পাউডার।
Biscuit powder, and if you have this one chocolate syrup, if you have chocolate syrup, then you will add 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup and 2 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and biscuit powder will be 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of biscuit powder. Okay. Okay, let's prepare. Okay, let's do the mixture. See, I'm pouring now milk slowly. Don't pour the milk all together. Then it will become very liquid. Okay? See, pour it slowly. It has to be like a dough. Mix it. Yes, see, little bit. I'll need little bit. So pour the milk slowly, step by step. Don't pour it all together. Otherwise, it will become bad. You won't be able to form sweets from here. And if you find that your mixture have become a bit liquid, then you can take some more biscuit powder. I shall take 1 more tablespoon of biscuit powder to make it a bit tight, to make the mixture a bit tight. We don't want it in a liquid state. It has to be tight. Now I shall do it with my hands. See. I am adding 1 more tablespoon of biscuit powder. Yes, now the mixture is perfect. I won't need milk anymore. See, it's holding in the hand like this. The mixture has to be like this. Yes, prepare the dough like this. It should be like this. One circle. See, dough. This is the dough preparation for preparing the sweet. Yes, are you all doing? See, this is the dough prepared, and from here we shall make the sweets. Now we shall take a small part from the dough, okay, and we shall roll it over the hand. Apply some water on your hand. Then it won't stick. Roll it over the hand like this and just press it in the middle. Okay. And just press it in the middle. Start preparing like this. See, the first one I have made. See, this is the first one. Okay. See, this is the first one. Start preparing small balls. Roll it on over your hand. Yes, roll it over your hand and make a small dot here. See, the second one I have done it. Again, take a ball, roll it over your hand, and this is the third one. Are you all doing? Show me. See, in this plate I am keeping. Those who have fridge, you all can store it in fridge for 6 to 7 days. No problem. It won't get bad. You can eat it. Okay? It won't get bad. See, I'm making the circles round and round and just press it in the middle. And press it in the middle. See. Aren't they looking yummy? Yes, its taste also good. So do prepare. Make it a circle, round, laddu. See. Then press it in the middle. Press it in the middle and it looks like this. Okay. Again, see. So, see, this is how it looks. Isn't it yummy? Alluring, isn't it? See them? Yes. Who have made it? Let me see. This is the sweet. Make small laddus. Yes, all my little shamsters do prepare laddus from it, from the mixture.
Ma'am, Aryan prepared.
Yes, I shall see now.
Aryan.
Yes, Aryan. Oh, wow. Very nice, Aryan. Very good. Okay. Very nice. Do taste it, okay? You can eat them now only. They are ready to eat. You can serve these now. Yes, very good, Aryan. Very good. Ma'am is so happy to see your preparation. Yes, many you have prepared. Very good. You can taste one, Aryan. You can taste one and tell me how it tastes. Who else finished doing it? Who else? Yes, very nice,
Hello.
Adrika.
Help me.
Adrika.
Help me. Help us.
Wow, show me. Yes, nice.
Help us. Help us. Please repeat the process. Help us.
Oh, it's sticky. Then add some powder. Biscuit. Oh, okay.
More powder.
Powder biscuit. Add some more powder biscuit.
Bolo Moina ke tatli powder biscuit.
Powder
Okay,
biscuit.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Abuika.
Taste it. No, okay, Pratyusha, show
Ma'am,
me.
Ma'am, Srirudra prepared Srirudra and Srinidhi
Yes,
also.
Pratyusha,
Srinidhi
I've seen very nice.
Ma'am,
Yes, Aryan is tasting. Oh, very nice. Yes, Kavya. Yes, Praganna. Very nice. Yes, Sri Rudra. Let me go to Sri Rudra. Tasty, tasty. Sri Rudra. Oh, nice. Sri Rudra, you can add some more biscuit powder. If you think it is sticky, you can add little
Gina,
bit of
ma'am.
biscuit powder. Nice. Very
Gina.
good.
Gina.
Gina, yes, I have seen.
হয়েছে তো তারপরে বিস্কুট
I have
পাউডার
seen Gina's
একটু
hand.
পাউডার অ্যাড করতে হবে হ্যাঁ
Very nice. Yes, very nice. Devan, show me. Devan, show me.
এটাতে পাউডার লাগবে
Devan.
Very nice. Very nice. Gina, very nice.
ভালো করে মেখে
Devans, ma'am. Devans.
Yes,
হয়েছে তো
yes.
দাঁড়া বড় বড় করে
আমারও হয়ে গেছে সুনিধি
Rudra, I have seen very nice. Yes, Srinidhi, show me.
Srinidhi.
Yes, Srinidhi.
ম্যাম দেখাচ্ছি
Srinidhi দেখাচ্ছে ma'am. This is
Oh, wow. Nice, nice. Very nice, Srinidhi. Very nice. Yes, very nice. Taste it and tell me how it tastes.
ট্রায়াঙ্গেল শেপের মতন বানিয়েছি
Taste and tell me how it tastes.
খাও খেয়ে বলো কেমন হয়েছে
আমি এটা খাই ছোট এটা কি বানাচ্ছি কি বানাচ্ছি কেক
Aryan is tasting. Aryan, how it tastes? Tell me. Gina is also tasting. Oh, fantastic. Very good. Praganna, taste.
ম্যাম
Very good. Thank you. Yummy. But always give your family members, okay? Don't eat all by yourself. Do share it with your family members. Okay. Yes. Okay, Praganna. Very good. Thank you. Kabbo, show me. Kabbo, show me.
করে
লেখাচ্ছে
Kabbo, show me.
এদিকে দেখাও
Wow, Kabbo, taste one. All of you taste and tell me how the taste. Banik. Oh, wow. Very nice, Banik. Very nice.
ma'am. Kabbo. Ma'am, Kabbo.
Thank you. So you have learned it. When guests come to your house, you have to prepare and give it to guests. Isn't it?
মিষ্টি হয়েছে বলে।
Okay. Okay. Yes, run. Nice.
এই সিরাপটা পুরো পুরো দিচ্ছি কেন
So you'll and you all can offer these to guests. When guests will be coming to your house, offer it to them. All are licking the fingers. So nice. I'm very happy. Yes, Aryan is decorating it. Very good. You can put kajus. Yes, cashews there. You can put milk. Yes. See. See.
ম্যাম শালাই থ্যাঙ্কস আমি আমার কেক আমি দিব না
No, no, you share it with everyone. Share it.
ম্যাম আমি শালাই হ্যাঁ ওয়াশ মাই হ্যান্ডস
Of course. Please wash your hands. Banik is tasting. Yes, Banik, do taste it. And tell me how did you like it? Udino, did you prepare? Udino? Udino?
ম্যাম টেস্টি হয়েছে
ম্যামকে বলো
ম্যাম দেখো আমি
বলো
ম্যাম টেস্টি হয়েছে ম্যাম টেস্টি হয়েছে
Thank you, Banik. Thank you. Okay, very good.
চাটন না তো না
Prepare some laddus and show me. Navya, prepare some laddus and show me. All the children are tasting it. I'm so happy. All the youngsters are tasting it. Bittu, how does it taste? Tell me, Bittu. Yes, Bittu. Tasty. Thank you. So you all have learned. Prepare it. Taste will come. You all can. Thank you, Bittu.
मैम बिट्टू
Okay.
बिट्टू बनाएनी मैम
Bittu, oh, then what you were eating? I thought you are tasting. Okay, no problem. You have learned it. Later on, you prepare at home. Okay, later on, you prepare it at home. Okay.
জিনিস নেই
Yes, Devansh, do you want to show me?
লাস্টে বিস্কুটের একটু গুঁড়ো বাকি ছিল সেটা তার উপরে দিয়ে ছড়িয়ে দিয়েছি
Okay, garnishing. Yes, I thought you all how you all will be able to do. I didn't know, so I didn't teach you how to garnish it. You all can garnish in the manner you like. How you like to garnish it, you can garnish the things. No problem. It's up to your.
मिहिर want to say मिहिर
Mihir, tell me. Mihir.
বানাবো
আচ্ছা বিট্টু তুমি পরে বানিও হ্যাঁ আমাদের দেখাবে বানিয়ে হ্যাঁ ভিডিও করে পাঠাবে
No problem. Debolina, tell me what you want to say. Debolina. Yes, Mihir, I have seen. Very nice. Very nice, my little chef. Debolina, what you want to say?
ম্যাম আই হ্যাভ নট মেক আমি বানিয়েনি
Okay.
পরে বানিয়ে পাঠিয়ে দিব
You have learned how to make it. You prepare at home. Make a video and send it to us or send some pictures. Okay. You prepare at home later on and send it to us. Yes, Arpita, what you want to say, Arpita Bormon? Tell me. Wait. First unmute yourself. Arpita, collect the things, you prepare and send it to me. Okay. Okay, so nice to see you all. So today's session, fireless cooking, we have learned so many new things, isn't it? Fireless cooking, we have learned to make biscuit cakes. And what did we learn?
কাব্য want to say something কাব্য
Yes, আমি দেখেছি তোমারটা। Very nice. Taste it. একটা টেস্ট করে নাও। Taste it and tell me how it tastes. It's good. Is it good?
করেছে
Okay. Thank you. Very good. So nice. Okay. So do cut your cake after 3 or 4 hours. Do cut your cake after 3 hours or 4 hours, and this sweet is already ready, isn't it? Do send us your feedbacks, your views, okay? How you like today's summer camp session, fireless cooking? How you like it? Do tell
একসাথে বলে
জয়াদিত্য ফাঁকা ফাঁকা ছিল show the sweet you are having
I put some biscuits
thank you
and chocolates in it.
My little chefs have tried with me, your chef ma'am today. For today, your ma'am. Tomorrow again we shall learn something new in our summer camp. Be ready. Okay. So bye for today. Bye bye. Take care. Keep smiling. Bye bye.
Baba,
ডাকছে কাব্য ডাকছে
বাবা
কাব্য কাব্য
Bye, ma'am.